Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make faux chicken broth. Start by roasting bones and aromatics until deeply browned, then simmer gently for clear, flavorful broth. Skim impurities early and often, and add star anise, cinnamon, cloves, and a little fish sauce for balance. Simmer gently for 90 minutes for clarity. Adjust salt and aromatics to taste before serving with fresh herbs and lime. For aromatic depth, toast star anise, cinnamon, and cloves until fragrant, then tie them in cheesecloth to keep the broth clear. Char onion and ginger to boost umami and reduce bitterness, and add a splash of fish sauce for savory balance. Maintain a low simmer to coax clarity and flavor, and avoid vigorous boiling, which clouds the broth. Taste midway and adjust aromatics to suit your preference. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are perfect for storing leftover faux broth, transporting soup safely, and organizing meal prep without spills. They stack well, seal tightly, and save time when you reheat meals. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After simmering, strain the broth through a fine sieve and discard solids to achieve a silky texture. Poach or shred cooked chicken and prepare rice noodles al dente to preserve chew and structure. Plate with basil, cilantro, sliced chili, bean sprouts, lime, and a dash of hoisin or sriracha for guests to customize. Keep extra broth warm for topping bowls during service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.